About this item: battery type, Li-ion. Voltage, 3.65V. Capacity, 6040 mAh. 22.046 Wh. Compatible part number, V4. Compatible models for Ring Doorbell Camera 1/2/3/4, upgraded battery compatible with Video Doorbell and Spotlight Cam Solar Stick-Up Camera, 2nd and 3rd Gen, every battery is strictly inspection. FCC ISO 9001/14001 and RoHS certificate. You can buy it with confidence. 30 days money back and 1-year warranty. If you have any question, just feel free contact us. 24 hours email service. We will solve any problem for you until you are satisfied. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: battery type, Li-ion. Voltage, 3.65V. Capacity, 6040 mAh. 22.046 Wh. Compatible part number, V4. Compatible models for Ring Doorbell Camera 1/2/3/4.